Hi, how are you doing? Now in this video we're going to learn about location methods. Okay, so for example, let's say we have this array of colors. So what I want to do is I want to find out the location, the index of method. Let's give it a try. Let's alert colors, and what I want to find out is I want to find out the index of green. So where is that green? Okay, so what I can do, colors index of, and let's say green. So let's see this in X first. So first, and it says 2. Okay, so is it 2? 0, 1, 2. Yeah, perfect. So this is how it finds the index. So it becomes super useful in real world. Okay, so index of you can use like that. Last index of is also similar. What it does, it starts looking from the end. Okay, index of starts from the 0 location. In last index begins from the end. So what I can do is last index of green. Refresh. The result is same, because even though it starts looking from the end, the index doesn't change, right? If you want to tell, for example, if we are working on a large array, then we don't want to start from the start to finish. We might want to start from maybe from the middle or something like that. So in that case it comes handy. So the item to look for, and an optional index from which to start looking. Okay, so for example, maybe from this position, maybe from green onwards you start looking. Don't worry about looking whatever is before green or something like that. In such situation, what you can do is, let's say you want to find out gold. Okay, you want to find out gold, which is at the end. So what you want is, you don't want to start looking from the beginning. Maybe you want to start looking from the middle. So okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will start looking from here onwards. It will ignore whatever is previous. Let's see what we get here. Press 5. Okay, so the result is same, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because its index is 5. However, it started looking from this particular location. Let's say, what if we try to find out something that doesn't exist? For example, let's say rose doesn't exist here, right? So what happens in that case? It says -1. -1 we used before in another use case as well. Sort of it's trying to find out, so neither it's a kind of a true or false, it isn't there. So that's what it means by -1. So this is it for location methods. In the next video we're going to learn about iterative methods, and they are super exciting, super powerful. For example, for each is quite a popular one. Filter, sum, and vary, they are very interesting. So I'll learn about them in the next video. Thank you.